Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alerted whenever we get in and out of plays. Also, get your free stock from down below at Webull. They give away 12 free stocks. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys, and share our opinion on AMC. So will history repeats itself, guys? So as we know, historically proven by the market, history doesn't tend repeats itself. Human nature tends to say the same. That's why we got support, resistance, buy levels, sell levels, all that good stuff. It's a lot of psychological points that goes into play with the overall market. So with that being said, guys, we know AMC is now at its 52-week low. The 52-week low for AMC was $3.77. It ended Friday at $3.87. That's pretty much the 52-week low. Just a slight hair drop will be creating a new 52-week low. So AMC is now in a position, once a stock start creating a newer low and the tension is still there, the hype is still there, the FOMO is still there, the community is still behind it, at any given moment, that stock could have a major reaction, crazy opposite reaction, meaning go from falling to shooting up 30-40% in a single day. And as we know, and why we say this is because AMC, once it, if it bottom out, if it continue to push up from here and go no lower, it's easily to get over the barrier at $4.14. $4.14 right here, what I got marked on the chart, guys. That's going to put AMC, once it get over 414, it could quickly get back to $5, 503, 504. And a jump like that is going to be roughly, 25 to 30% jump instantly. And that's why a lot of investors is getting rid of quality companies, and they'll be willing to exchange it for meme stocks and AMC and meme stocks territory during this time because of the returns that they could get at a much faster pace. So far as AMC, history repeating itself, guys, it's not out of the question. It's definitely, possible for AMC to heat up again, skyrocket, do all that good stuff again. But the thing is, they trying everything in their best interest to stop that from happening again. They know it's bound to happen again. It ain't 100% guaranteed, but they know the probability of it happening, even if it don't spike to the all-time high, of course, which is very, very harder to do with all the manipulation and stuff. But regardless of all that, out the window, out the table, I'm pretty sure most people now is just, they'll be happy with AMC being at 15 to 20 bucks, right? So just by AMC getting back 20-30% of its whole all-time high overall price would be a significant jump for most investors. And so with that being said, guys, that's not hard to do or not far-fetched out of the window. As we know, AMC meme stocks is trending with the overall market right now. The stock market is down significantly. You got individual stocks down over 90, 95%, 80%. Big name companies like Tesla down over 50%. So the stock market definitely being hit. We know that without a doubt, just as meme stocks, AMC, and all that good stuff. But as soon as the market turn back around, which is about to happen here soon enough, like I told you guys, going into the second quarter of this year, we should be going into a bullish market. But this first quarter is going to be a lot of back and forth, meaning they is going to let the market rise, let crypto rise. It's going to spike like crazy just to come right back down, create newer lows, unless the economy drastically change from here. And then it's going to reverse and spike and continue to run for the remainder of the year, guys. So as we know, it's going to be, one hell of a year, one hectic year, guys, that we seen on last year. But this year, I have no doubt things are going to get better. Like I told you guys, this is already going down in history for one of the longest bear markets in history, in my opinion. Nothing haven't came out facts yet, or they haven't made articles about it. But I'm pretty sure, judging by historically, by the facts, a bear market usually lasts 9 to 10 months. A bull market usually lasts a few years. And this bear market that we've been in, it was the whole 2022, a full year. So I'm pretty sure that's why I only give it this first quarter of this year to continue with all this BS. Because eventually they is running out of steam, even with all the manipulation and stuff, guys. They run out of steam, run out of power. The lower and lower the market goes. There's nowhere else for it to go. That's the beautiful thing about going long. The market is stopped out at $0.00. But going short is it's infinity. It's no number to the upside. Numbers never stop. So that's the major difference here. We know where the bottom is with these stocks. It's $0.00. And I don't think none of them, and some of them could, but majority of the time, these stocks doesn't be going down to $0.00, especially not no quality company like Tesla, like Apple, like Nike, like these companies is not going down to $0.00, regardless of how much they try to push them down and push retail investors up out of the situation. And that's a big factor on why the market is looking like it's looking, guys, and why the bear market, I believe, has lasted longer than the other bear markets, being for the fact that way more people got involved in the market with meme stock frenzy and all that good stuff. Too many people was involved, and the market couldn't let the market reward all those people, because then they'll be snooping around getting better with the market, and you have the whole world getting money for themselves. And now they got to go back to the drawing board and create the robots and stuff to take the workers' place, because everybody become entrepreneurs and working for themselves. And at one point, as you seen months ago, everybody was in that space. But now they done flip-flopped it. They done drained everybody's account, making prices go up, making things higher, basically making people's accounts go lower and lower, making them more needy to get a job. So anyways, guys, we see this drastic shift, the change. Most people ain't paying attention to details like that. But basically the shift was more people, employers needed employees more than the employees needed the employer. Now the employees need the employer more than the employer need the employees. And that's going to be even more of a factual statement as these robots and all that self-serving, self-checkout and all that comes more into play. They're like, hey, I don't really need you. I got, this person to do it. But as you guys know, though, AMC meme stocks, as the market turn around, it's definitely going to turn around. They have, they're running out of steam. They're running out of power. That's their whole plan, to even do the reverse stock split so they can reset the algorithms and short it all the way back down. Like I told you guys, AMC got a better advantage than GameStop. GameStop still have wiggle room. Trading at $16, $17 a share, they still got enough room to short it all the way down to AMC levels. But AMC, they don't really got much wiggle room. It's too close to zero. There ain't much wiggle room. So we need to shoot this price up and reverse stock split it so it can go up to 10x the price, just to bring it right back down. So you already know, guys, what to do. Get ready for next week, because next week will be a solid week for the market, especially being for the fact of how we ended the week off. The whole week was shabby on last week. Started off good, and it got rocky, it got ugly towards the end. And then the end Friday, the way we did, job reports came in way better than expected. The market ended up, the Dow, the S&P, the NASDAQ, with all that good catalyst, that good positive push, inflation coming down, all that stuff. That's definitely a combination for the market to blow, guys. And with the market already being oversold, like I told you guys, just to blow for a short term, though. Get in, get out, let the market consolidate, do what it do. But if you got a second account, whole quality companies, don't be getting in and out of those, because buying at these levels, you are secure. Good prices to be buying at and holding in a second account. But for your day trading account, the one you're getting in and out of, be meticulous, because just because the market blow, that don't mean it's going to continue to blow. You want to, let it blow, be in your positions, and as it right before it pull back, you want to be getting out and rebuying those shares and letting it do the same thing, rinsing and repeating, guys. So that's my strategy. I like to have, I'm just telling you guys, have two accounts. One account where you letting quality investments, quality companies, where you putting your Tesla, your Apple, your Nike, your Microsoft. You buying that while it's dirt cheap and just sitting it to the side, not even really worrying about it. And then you got another account to where you aiming small, missing small, very smaller count size, and where you learning how to day trade day to day, getting in and out with a strategy, knowing, writing it down, knowing exactly where you got in or you got out, know the reasoning for you buying it at that level, whether it was a dip buy, breakout, earnings winner, whatever the case may be. But do your homework, guys. I love you. Edge Boy on Instagram at the BH Show. Get in VIP, and we gone.